I know all of you have been wondering how rockets work. Rockets are very fascinating man-made things. Now the rockets fly in the air, they pass through space, they're just so amazing and they're so cool. People just want to understand how these things work. I know you've been wondering, but here's the answer. Rockets work on a principle of action and reaction. Following Newton's third law of motion, they expel masses in one direction to generate a force in the opposite direction, propelling the rocket forward. They operate by burning fuel in a combustion chamber. As the fuel burns, it creates high-pressure gases that are expelled through the nozzle at the back of the rocket. The force generated by the expulsion of these gases propels the rocket in the opposite direction. The design allows rockets to work in the vacuum of space where there is no air. For thrust like traditional engines, they carry their own oxidizers, so they can burn fuel in space. Rockets are used in various applications, including space exploration, satellite development, and launching payloads into orbit. Now, this is all we knew about rocket science. Rocket science is not as hard as people thought. It's actually simpler than neurology. Now, let me try to explain this thing to you that you may understand. Rocket science is not as hard as I told you, but it's quite simple. Rockets are interesting things and they need to be studied. So people who want to study rocket science, go and study. It's actually the simplest concept in physics. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the rockets, and have fun. In Jesus' name. And if you really need more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe or click the like button or click the notification bell for more videos like these ones. Enjoy!